What the bloody hell are you buggers doing out here?
In this world, there's people like me. And there's people like you.
Did you get hit?
And people like me eat people like you.
Mick Taylor's the name. Big shooter and outback legend. Expect to come to my country. Waltz around like you own the bloody place. Come between a man and his meal and just work away. Bit rough, ain't it?
You're nothing but foreign vermin. A stink introduced species. And it's up to my kind to wipe your kind out.
Hey!
Let's play, eh?
You'll have to do better than that!
Obviously don't know the first rule of the outback, hero.